In this video, we're going to be talking about the file management system in myViewBoard Whiteboard Online, specifically sharing. Keep in mind, in order to go to your file management, you need to find that file folder that's located at the tippy top of that toolbar that's located on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where all of your file management is going to be placed. Now, if you go ahead and left-click this icon once, you'll see I have a few different options I can choose from. However, at the bottom, you will see this Share by QR code. This is going to be a great way to go ahead and share your entire presentation with your different students or different colleagues. Now, once you go ahead and select your Google Drive, because that is where you're going to want to save it, you can see it's going to open up a QR code on the right-hand side of the screen, which you could go ahead and take a snippet of, or it also gives you a hyperlink in which you could copy and paste into any LMS that you have. So, for example, if I go ahead and go to this lesson that I have about the rainforest tree frogs, and I want to share it for my students, I can go to that file management, left-click it once, go down to Share by QR code. Once again, in that file management, that top icon, left-click Share by QR code, go to my Google Drive, and from there, it's going to go ahead and generate a QR code that I can use, or go ahead and use that hyperlink directly on that screen. I hope this video was helpful in sharing your different presentations in myViewBoard Whiteboard Online, and I hope you continue to watch for some more.